going on, everybody? It's your boy Allan Wade, King Allan Alexander on all social medias, and I'm hyped today. You know why? Because I'm back in the gym, and everybody knows, if people that work out know that when you get back in the gym and you start feeling the effects of your workout, you're like high on energy, especially if you're eating healthy too. I've been cooking my own food, eating healthy and not eating street meat, street food, and I'm just feeling so. Anyway, guys, so I wanted to make this video today because I left a post in my posts a few days ago, and I asked which vinyl you wanted me to work on next, and Lala Wills chose this vinyl. So I'm gonna make this vinyl, and to make it pop a little bit, I'm gonna use some of this glitter vinyl right here. And congratulations, Lala Wills, this shirt is gonna be for you. I'm gonna make the shirt for you. So when you see this video, Lala Wills, subscriber Lala Wills, drop me an email, adubbproductions@gmail.com, and send me your shirt size and a shipping address so I can get this shirt out to you. Congratulations, congratulations. You never know when I'm going to send something out for free 99, guys. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get into it, and let me show you how I made this design and what I came up with. All right, let's go. So as always, guys, the first step and what I advise you to do is to get your shirt and lay it out on the table, guys, and then take your handy dandy ruler and measure out the area where you want to put the design on, guys. All right, so let's do that right now, and let's get the design in. So guys, let's just hop on over here to our Silhouette Studio Designer Edition workspace and work out this design where we're gonna work it out. All right, so over here in Silhouette Studio, I'm gonna make this default 12 by 12, and so we're gonna put some text on the shirt. I want this to say, I'm gonna go ahead and choose my fonts. I'm gonna make it impact. Oh gosh, impact, and I want this to say something. I want it to say, this is my gym shirt. Okay, this, do I want caps? Is my gym. Let me think for a second. This is my gym shirt. Right, and start off with this design. Let me throw some color in there. This is going to be the camouflage color, so I'm going to make it, just pick any color right here, make it real big. I said I want to make it no bigger than 10 inches across, so this is on 9, and this is going to be 10 right here. That's a great size. I like that a lot. Not sure. What should I do? Let me think for a second, guys.
A-Dubb Productions.
Alright, guys, I figured out what I wanted to say. Okay, so we're going to change the text around a little bit. I'm going to put, oh, wait a minute, undo that. I'm going to click right here, and I'm going to put in my gym shirt. I'm going to highlight all of this. And I'm going to go like this, put it in the center, in my gym shirt. Alright, I'm just looking at the text and seeing if I want to put it like this. I think I prefer it like this, actually. So I got to make sure it's, once again, no bigger than 10 inches, and it's smaller. So I'm going to bring it right here. So what I'm doing right here is I'm matching up the numbers on this side and on this side. You can see the numbers right here. So, okay, I know it's 10 inches. I put it in the middle in my gym shirt. Got to put a space right there. And once again, because I did that, I have to compensate for the size. So I'm going to bring this text down a little bit. right here. All right, so in my gym shirt. All right, and once again, I'm going to grab it. I'm going to ungroup. I'm going to grab that R, bring it down, and then I'm going to twist it to the side like this to make it look like it fell off. Maybe like, yeah, right below is good. That's good enough. You get the point. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to regroup this part. Group. And so I got another idea, but I'm going to save it as a surprise in the end to show you what I did, guys, and what I'm going to do. All right, so let's go ahead and cut this vinyl and get these text letters printed out. I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to do this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually print to save vinyl. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually print the in my gym shirt shit part first. I'm going to print that out first, and then I'm going to print the R out separately. All right, so that's what I'm going to do to preserve vinyl. Actually, you know what? I could actually print this all together. And then just no. I'm gonna do it separately because I'm gonna have a piece of vinyl right here that I can use to do it. So no problem. All right, so boom, get ready to print it. Once again, we flip it horizontal so it's backwards, and we put it on the edge so we can save some vinyl. We're gonna have cut out this side and this side so we can print this R on. So we can print this R on the piece of vinyl that's left. So we can put that down below here. We also have to flip this horizontal, guys. All right, so let's take this off of the cutting mat. Let's go ahead and get ready. Make sure our page is set up. 12 by 12 cutting sheet that we're using. Cutting mat that we're using, and we're gonna go ahead and get ready to send it over. We have our fuzzy flock because that's the last video I did, and I'm going to go ahead and pick my setting for this, which I have it size of easy weed setting works fine on this, even though this right here is FireFly Craft HTV, and the links to these HTVs will be in the description. All of these products are FireFly Craft, guys, so make sure you guys use those links if you want to make this design yourself. FireFly Craft HTV links, product links will be in the description. Use my Amazon link. And also, I forgot what I was going to say. All right, let's go. All right, so like I said, my settings is 5, 4, and 11 with 1 pass, guys, and that should weed perfectly. Oh yeah, what I was going to tell you guys is my if you guys want this file so you guys can make a shirt like this, I'm going to put this file on my website, just the text on my website, not the additional little things that I do. It's going to be on my website, adubbproductions.com. So you guys can go to my website and download the project files if you guys want to make the shirt also, okay? All right. So next step, let's cut out our vinyl and get ready to print this up on our Cameo. free design for a lucky subscriber. Could be you next time. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit the post notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video or upload a question. In the community tab, guys, in my gym shirt, you see the pink camo with the shirt with the R from the shirt down, so it says in my gym shit, like you in your gym shit. Excuse my language, guys, PG-13. Anyway, and you see the silver accent dumbbells, so that it makes that whole design just pop and gives it a little something simple and something dope that people will look at you. And just because I'm sending this to a client, I'm gonna do a finishing touch, and I'm gonna go ahead and sew the A-Dubb logo so she could be all the way official when she gets this. I'm gonna sew that on the bottom part, guys, and there you go. Hey, make sure you guys subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video. Share this video, and once again, if you want this design, then it's going to be on my website, adubbproductions.com. I'm gonna probably upload the design tomorrow, so don't go check on it just yet, because give me a few days to put it on there, and I'm gonna put the design up on my website, adubbproductions.com, guys. In my gym shirt. It's your boy, man. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.
Turn up that, crank it up. Why listen to the rest when you're rocking with the best, baby?